So the idea of this shoot was basically conceived during the second wave of COVID. I, along with Bhawdeep and Surbhi, the stylist and art direction duo, went to have a look at this place once prior. So although I documented this fun video at that time as a memory, because we were very restricted with our resources in terms of location and crew, but I felt that the final pictures came out pretty good, and this idea of shooting on a terrace could help you all at any point of time, even these days. So let's begin. So this is the main block that will be in most of our frames today. The first thought behind choosing this area was that the harsh light could have just killed the whole soft, subtle and minimal mood that we had planned for. Secondly, since we had the access to the shed above, we could go and hang these white muslin fabrics. The fabrics were supposed to hang from all three sides, making it abstractly visible in both foreground and background. The other advantage of having these fabrics around was that it helped in blocking any visible distractions. Now after the sides were done, next challenge was the floor and this door right in the center of the wall. Both were not going with the whole set, and then we decided to cover it all with more fabrics to ease up the editing part in post later. Now let me show you the shooting gear. The main body is a Canon R6. I have the EF mount 50mm f1.2 lens on it. For the close-up and adding depth, I'll be using 7200 along with the 85mm. The light source will be this very versatile Godox 8200. This is mainly to add a fill under the shed area and a magmod diffuser to soften it a bit. And of course the Godox trigger. Now it's time to call upon the models for some test shots, and thereafter we begin. The pictures were all coming out nice, but I was a little concerned about the door and the floor being slightly visible in the full shots. The fill light was also pointed towards the back wall to lighten it up as much as possible. I was taking the full shot with a 50mm earlier, but then I switched to 7200mm and went out at the farthest spot possible and zoomed into the max. This helped me achieve more depth in the background. So we are almost done. Now let's have a look at the final results. If you have any feedback or queries regarding the equipment or the technique, please put it up in the comments.